फ्रेंड्स, अक्सर ऐसे होता है कि कोई हमें इंग्लिश में कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता है और हमें वो क्वेश्चन ही समझ में नहीं आता। चाहे उसका हम जवाब हिंदी में दें, कैसे भी दें, लेकिन हमें क्वेश्चन तो समझ में आना चाहिए। ऐसे ही हम कुछ डेली रूटीन के कुछ क्वेश्चंस लेके आए हैं। तो आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। मेरा एक काम करोगे? वुड यू डू मी ए फेवर प्लीज़? वुड यू डू मी ए फेवर प्लीज़? आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? क्या तुम्हें पता है? Do you know? Do you know? आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? अब आपके पिताजी कैसे हैं? How is your father now? How is your father now? सबसे अच्छी शर्ट कौन सी है? Which shirt is the best? Which shirt is the best? तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? ये शर्ट कितने की है? What is the price of this shirt? What is the price of this shirt? कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? समझ गए? Got it? Got it? क्या राम अंदर है? Is Ram inside? Is Ram inside? दरवाजे पर कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing at the door? Who is standing at the door? तुम पर भरोसा कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? तुम मुझसे नाराज नहीं हो ना? You're not angry with me, are you? You're not angry with me, are you? तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? राहुल किसका भाई है? Whose brother is Rahul? Whose brother is Rahul? वो घर किसका है? Whose is that house? Whose is that home? तुम किस शहर से हो? Which city are you from? Which city are you from? तुम किस शहर में हो? Which city are you in? Which city are you in? क्या तुम्हारे पास है? Do you have? Do you have? तुम्हारे पास क्या नहीं है? What do you not have? What do you not have? क्या तुम्हारे पास मोबाइल है? Do you have a mobile? Do you have a mobile? आप कौन हैं? Who are you? Who are you? क्या है वो? What is that? What is that? मेरे पीछे कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing behind me? Who is standing behind me? उसके भाई कितने बड़े हैं? How old are his brothers? How old are his brothers? क्या है उसका नाम? What is his name? What is his name? तुम खड़े क्यों हो? Why are you standing? Why are you standing? उस टेबल पर क्या है? What is there on that table? What is there on that table? वो कब से ऑफिस में है? Since when is he there in office? Since when is he there in office? तुम कब तक ऑफिस में थे? Until when were you there in office? Until when were you there in office? मेरे पैर में क्या है? What is there in my foot? What is there in my foot? गाड़ी में कितना पेट्रोल है? How much petrol does this car have? How much petrol does this car have? तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? किस शहर में हो तुम इस वक्त? Which city are you in right now? Which city are you in right now? कितने बच्चे इस समय यहाँ हैं? How many children are here at this time? How many children are here at this time? तुम ऐसे क्यों हो? Why are you so? Why are you so? पैसे किसके पास हैं? Who has money? Who has money? क्या तुम्हारे पास दिमाग नहीं है? Do you not have brain? Do you not have brain? उसके कितने लड़के हैं? How many sons does he have? How many sons does he have? तुम्हारा कौन सा वाला पेन है? Which one is your pen? Which one is your pen? ये पेन किसका है? Whose is this pen? Whose is this pen? पैसे किसके पास नहीं हैं? Who doesn't have money? Who doesn't have money? तुम किस बात के लिए दुखी हो? What are you sad for? What are you sad for? वहाँ कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there? How many people are there? पेन कहाँ रखा हुआ है? Where is the pen kept? Where is the pen kept? समय क्या हुआ है? What is the time? What is the time? मैं तुम्हारा कौन हूँ? Who am I to you? Who am I to you? क्या तुम्हारा भाई वहाँ था? Was your brother there? Was your brother there? कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? क्या आपके दिल में प्यार नहीं है? Isn't there love in your heart? Isn't there love in your heart? तुम वहाँ क्यों छिपे हुए हो? Why are you hidden there? Why are you hidden there? वहाँ क्या है? What is there? What is there? क्या तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं? Do you not have money? Do you not have money? क्या क्लास में कोई नहीं है? Isn't there anyone in class? Isn't there anyone in class? क्या तुम्हारे पास पेन है? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? क्या वहाँ कुछ चल रहा है? Is something going on there? Is something going on there? क्या वहाँ कोई नहीं है? Isn't there anyone? Isn't there anyone? तुम वहाँ किसके साथ थे? With whom were you there? With whom were you there? दिखाओ चोट कहाँ लगी है? Show me where you have been hurt. Show me where you have been hurt. सबसे पहला महीना कौन सा है? Which is the first month? Which is the first month? एक माह में कितने सप्ताह होते हैं? How many weeks are there in a month? How many weeks are there in a month? तुमने मुझे आज कैसे कॉल किया? How did you call me up today? How did you call me up today? भारत गणतंत्र कब बना? When did India become republic? When did India become republic? आप कब पैदा हुए? When were you born? When were you born? क्या आप उससे मेरी बात करा देंगे? Could you please make me talk to him? Could you please make me talk to him? क्या आपने अभी टिकट नहीं लिया है? Haven't you bought the ticket so far? Haven't you bought the ticket so far? यह बस कहाँ जाती है? Where does this bus go? Where does this bus go? तुमने उसे जाने कैसे दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? ट्रेन कब चलेगी? When will the train leave? When will the train leave? क्या मुझे काफ़ी इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा? Will I have to wait for long? Will I have to wait for long? क्या आप एक जगह पर नहीं बैठ सकते? Can't you sit still at one place? Can't you sit still at one place? आप किसे प्यार करते हो? Whom do you love? Whom do you love? आज कितनी तारीख है? What is the date today? What is the date today? ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? क्या तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो? Are you studying? Are you studying? क्या हाल है? How are you? How are you? पागल हो क्या? Are you mad? Are you mad? आपका मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? क्या हम ढोंगी हैं? Are we hypocrite? Are we hypocrite? क्या हुआ तुम्हें? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? क्या आप श्योर हो? Are you sure? Are you sure? क्या आप दिल्ली गए हो? Have you been to Delhi? Have you been to Delhi? क्या करूं मैं? What do I do? What do I do? वहाँ क्या क्या हुआ? What all happened there? What all happened there? उसके पास क्या क्या है? What all does he have? What all does he have? उसके साथ क्या क्या हुआ? What all happened with him? What all happened with him? आपके पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? आप कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? ऐसी ही और वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। वीडियो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।